How to retrieve responses in Google Forms quick and easy. First, visit thegoogleforms.com. Here, click on Sign In, and after signing in, this web page will appear on the screen. So click on any already existing form, but note that the form has responses inside it. Now click here on the Responses option beside Question. You can click here on 3 dots. You can download responses. Also, you can print all the responses. You can print in PDF form and others. Or you can click here on Link to Sheets. So here, click on Create. Then a new tab will appear, where the responses will be available in the sheet. Once the form is opened, save the form. That's how you can retrieve responses in Google Forms in a quick and easy way. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next one.